get you one of these telescopic.
Yeah. Probably be a good idea.
No, Carson. You got one thing right. These fucking boots, boys. That cooler's freaking 10 years old, but
This video, we're just going on a little adventure on the bike. Tried fishing those falls right there. Only caught little trout like that big, but yep, we're moving again.
probably gonna fall on my fucking face. I've never seen a river hazard to walk on in my goddamn life. Oh. Even the high ground's dangerous, bud. Back to this corner just to see what we're dealing with. There we go. Oh, I won't.
Ooh. We're at a little fishing spot. See him in the background there. It's a pretty nice spot. We're gonna head up the river a bit on the bike to a bridge spot where it's at, and then we're gonna fish that a little bit.
No sign of life. I don't know, man. The river looks weird, eh? I've got toilet paper. I haven't got toilet. I don't know what toilet paper is.
We're just stopped at this little cemetery. Big open field on an ATV trail.
It's freaking hard on everything. Busted my stove even.
It busted up your...
That thing ready for me to go? Yeah, busted my stove. Well. Oh man, it's gonna be good though.
Smells good.
Fuck. If I get any in the pot, we already lost 2 pieces. And they're freaking pretty stingy on the donair meat to begin with. They brought it, we're cooking it, but we're actually kind of hungry. That gives us 2 donairs each in there.
I'm gonna split that sausage in half. You want the other half?
No, go ahead, man.
All right.
Any years on the cemetery?
Any what? Yeah, like 1800s, 1900s.
Really?
There's one that's so old it doesn't even have any markings on it.
There we go.
Ah,
That's what I wanted. A little bit of donair juice.
whatever.
Nice little unit here, but
I don't know. Good for survival too, because you have that little pot that comes with it.
You just boil your water and drink it. Does that look completely ridiculous on me?
No.
I got it for the garden, man. Keep the sun off my head, and then I thought, wait a second, some holes already.
Those ones look cold. (1831 to 1907). (1901). Died 1901. Man, that's an old grave. Oh, there's a bunch back here too. There's one right there. There's a bunch that look real old. A couple newer ones. Yeah, that one's real old.
I think so over your belly.
Yeah. Man, that looks good.
Fucking expensive fucking trip though, man, to go way out there like that and have supper, and there's $100 a day.
Really?
Yeah.
You ate it at Dare's Lodge?
We did, yeah. Fuck, it was like $40 for my supper. Want some more saucer?
Sure.
There you go, man.
Awesome. I don't know, it seems kind of dead.
I thought it'd be busy.
Me too. I think we only saw those guys on the side-by-sides in the Arctic Cat.
Two bikes, all we see. We're like at the main junction here. You know when we're driving to Sussex from where we're at?
Yeah.
And there's that real bad corner.
Yeah.
I missed it a few times and had to go straight. That's the end of our road, I believe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Remember, we're really close to Sussex then.
Wouldn't take long to hit Sussex from here.
No. Someone was telling me that they're somewhat near, not as ATV friendly where we live, but they're somewhat ATV friendly in Sussex.
Yeah. Certain spots, I think, yeah. There was a couple towns they were supposed to have it so you go right downtown Sussex on your ATV, but the council didn't pass it.
There's a lot of cops in Sussex too. Every time you go, you see cops and meth.
I still can't wrap my mind around that, but Meth Town, Canada. It's a big documentary on it.
Yeah. This good drinking water.
Water from the house.
Man, that's cold.
That shit gets the absolute crap knocked out of it on the bike, eh?
I know.
I brought 2 apple pies with me. It's like somebody smushed them in somebody's face. Eating like kings in the middle of nowhere.
It's weird. There's some graves over there that are actually pretty new.
New?
Way at the back, there's really new graves. Because after that little ridge right there, it goes over in another ridge. It's a pretty big field, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, my sauce is dripping up the back.
Yeah. I like Donair's, man. As long as they're made right, Donair's good. Donair pizza, man. Nothing better than Donair pizza.
Wouldn't be surprised going down here if we saw Pee-wee's property sign somewhere up here. maybe stuff, but anyways, there's a bunch of buried babies, and we think we found what looks like maybe a crate they'd used to bury one of the babies that got forgotten here. Maybe it might be what it is. Kind of creepy.
Try it backwards. Yeah.
Well, squirrel. That's gonna be the end of this. Look like one of those dogs from the movie Squirrel. Try to get some footage of him, maybe. Anyways, that's the end of this JLTC Outdoors video. Just went on a little adventure. I got the we got the bike back at the house. I'm on it right now. I'm just cleaning it off in the river because all that mud, so I'm just gonna take it through the river a little bit. Yeah, had a lot of fun today. That cemetery was pretty cool. A lot of mudding. I'm pretty tired right now, so when I get back to the camp, I'm probably gonna sleep actually, but who knows? We'll see. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one.